ate in the world. May your, may, may your birthday be filled with love, laughter, and all the things that make you happy. Growing up alongside you has been the greatest privilege of my entire life so far. There is no better friend in this world than a sister, and no sister in the world is better than you. Gani ate buhin bihini man pagkamaldita kag pagkastrikta mo sa akon. Palangga ta kakatama ate. Salamat kay nagdako ako nga ginasunod ko man imo mga yapak. Pray, ikaw perme kag halonggit sa tanan-tanan nga bagay nga ginaobra mo. My beautiful ate, my smart ate, and I will be more happy if you will be my best friend ate. We love you, Doc. Thank you.
There you have it. Thank you very much, Natsu.